Let's learn IIB. Today we will learn how to use collector node. Collector node is used to combine messages from different sources and produce one single output. We will create a message flow that acquires messages from queues and file system as source. For now, I have connected my source system to a pass-through node for testing. Create the input queues required by your application. You can use command line runmqc interface as I have shown here, or you can use MQ Explorer to create queues. Using activity logs, we can verify that the messages we placed in queues and file system were picked up by your message flow. WebAdmin interface of IIB is a much needed feature which is not available in WMB. Add collector node to message flow. On the collector node, right click and add input terminals. I have added 3 input terminals, MQ01, MQ02 and file01 as shown. You need a correlation ID to link multiple messages as one. Here customer number is used as correlation identifier. Look at input message shown on screen. Customer number 111 is used as correlation ID from MQ message body. Similarly, customer number 111 is used as correlation ID from file name star.order.xml. Screen shows multiple messages merged as one collection. 3 MQ messages and 1 file message has been acquired within 60 seconds. That is the timeout interval. File acquired is of blob domain and MQ message is of XML and SC domain. We have successfully tested the working of collector node in automated configuration, also known as timeout configuration. Let me know in comments if you have used collector node where instead of timeout interval you issue a control message, also known as a trigger. Reply in comments.